Hello everybody, Dr. Brad here from Life Chiropractic Center in Burlington, Ontario. And last week I answered your question, what do chiropractors do? And we learned how trauma can cause spinal misalignments or subluxations that can injure your nerves. So what chiropractors do to help your injured nerves is something called a spinal adjustment. And you need to know that this is something that only chiropractors are trained to do, and it is also why we get such unique results when no one else can. Now, today I want to answer a question that some of you have, which is this. Is there any other way to adjust my spine because I don't like having my back cracked? Well, first of all, chiropractors do not crack anything. When you think about cracking an egg, for example, what happens? Well, the egg breaks. And I don't know of any chiropractor who would want to break your spine or your bones. When you go to a chiropractor who uses a manual, hands-on type of adjustment, you will oftentimes hear a noise that resembles a crack or a pop. But this has nothing to do with your vertebrae. And this is what I would like to explain today because it's very important for you to understand. These noises either come from nitrogen gas being released in the joint around the vertebrae that's being realigned, or from a slight stretch of scar tissue or adhesions in the muscles or ligaments around the vertebrae that's being adjusted, or both. And none of these are detrimental to your health and well-being. Now, there are several different methods of chiropractic adjusting techniques that are available to you. Some involve a handheld instrument called an activator. Others use posture blocks. Some are more of a soft tissue approach that use pressure points. And none of these techniques will cause any noises, but they will all serve to help you with your pinched nerves. So all you need to do is talk to your chiropractor or find one who uses one of these techniques as opposed to the manual adjustment if that's not something that you prefer. Now, if you have any questions on this topic or any other health concerns that you may have or your family may have, you know the routine, please give us a call. Consultations are always free of charge. Family appointments are always available because spinal problems do tend to run in families. And our phone number here in Burlington is 905-335-5433, and we will answer more of your questions again next week.